A nitro cold brew. You may have heard of this. This is another one of these things kind of like pour over that's gotten kind of trendy and popular lately, and you're seeing more and more of. Nitro cold brew is basically like the stout or Guinness of coffee. I mean, come on. Well, how much more can you ask for than that? I mean, that's awesome. Looks all cool. You get the cascading foam effect. So to make nitro, first you have to have cold brew, and then you have to have a nitro keg. The one I have, the one I suggest, is from a place called Royal Brew. Basically what it is a little powder coated keg. Keep it in the refrigerator, you keep it cold, it's good for like 2 weeks. You pour that out in a pint glass, looks just like you just poured yourself a Guinness. And it is so good. The other great thing about nitro is if you're on a diet or if you're trying to cut some calories, adding the nitrous and adding the foam kind of changes the consistency of the coffee a little bit, the cold brew, and it gives it this kind of thicker, creamier consistency. So if you're the kind of person that normally puts cream in your coffee, definitely try a nitro out. It could be a good substitute for your coffee with creamer because it does kind of add that creaminess by, adding the foam and whatnot to it. And it's something different. I mean, you get iced coffees all the time, you get normal coffee. How often do you get to sit down and pour yourself a pint of a nice cold frothy coffee? It's really, really enjoyable. And like I mentioned, my recommended product for that is the Royal Brew. Big thanks to those guys. They actually sent the nitro brew keg out to me to try out, and I've really loved it. Black powder coated. It looks really great. It makes it super easy. So anytime you want it, you just go to your fridge and it's just really good. I really enjoy a nice pour of some nitro on a hot afternoon. Really awesome stuff. You can either go to like Starbucks or your local coffee house and get some nitro. And I mean, shit, those nitro things can run like $5, $6, $7 for a glass. Or you get one of these and you can have nitro cold brew on tap in your own refrigerator. I mean, you decide. I know which one I picked. Got that shit in my refrigerator and it's awesome, especially in times like this. Rona flying around. Risk getting some Rona just for a nitro cold brew. No need. I got mine in my fridge. Thank you very large. So that's it. Those are my 4.5 favorite methods or ways to brew or ingest coffee. Hope everybody is staying safe out there, having a great week, and we will see you in the next video. Gotta go get some more coffee. You know what they say, if you're not shaking, you need another cup. That's my motto.